Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, I will show you the person detection and tracking system. This is completely AI-based system where you can upload the video or it also work on the live feed and the images as well. So let's upload any input video and there will be a live camera option as well and it will also store the record. Let's upload this particular video and click on open button and click on start analysis. So the model will load and will process the video. It will take a little bit time to process the video and it works frame by frame. So it identify the frame 5 processed, person 1 found and 12 seconds elapsed. After completion of that, it will show the output. You can see like 1% detected with the timing. It will also stored in the separate folder. So we have given that particular video. So let's end this video here. We are developing projects in multiple domain in Python, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, Android app, website. If you have doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. Thank you friends for watching my video. If any, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.